Every day there are roughly 205 billion email exchanges. An average inbox contains only 38% important or relevant emails. This is a big problem that needs fixing. Companies everywhere are turning to AI to find the solution. There are many email add-ons that do specific things, but which one do you choose? Figuring out exactly which add-ons to install can be tricky, and many will never be used. Our add-on is a one-time solution to make your emails take up less of your day. There are many add-ons and applications that use AI to filter or compose better emails. Our solution is the whole package targeted at the business world. The average person spends 28% of the work week reading and composing emails. We will use AI to comb through inboxes, alerting users of important events, meetings, and deadlines to cut down on that time. Easy Email will use machine learning to understand your writing style and make suggestions of what to write next that can be added at a click of a button. Many add-ons and email applications have capabilities to filter your emails, but they do not always work. Manually adjusting your filtering settings will be a thing of the past. Our system will use machine learning to automate your filters based on you.
Artificial intelligence, or AI, is an area of computer science that emphasizes the creation of intelligent machines that work and react like humans. It could also mean when a machine mimics cognitive functions that humans associate with other humans' minds, such as learning and problem solving. Here are a few examples of AI, just to name a few. First, autonomous cars like Tesla. Second, strategic game systems like chess on a computer that can provide high competition. And lastly, content delivery networks such as Amazon's warehouse layout with AI-driven robots. Forbes has listed that artificial intelligence market is projected to be worth $59.8 billion by 2025. It may seem a little weird and impersonal using objects like robots, but advances in technology and artificial intelligence are making that type of engagement more and more of a reality. Here on this slide, this graph shows the size of the artificial intelligence market worldwide from 2016 and the projections for 2025. In 2017, the global AI market is expected to be worth $2.42 billion. Some current major uses of AI include image recognition, object identification, and detection. Overall, AI techniques have become an essential part of the technology industry, helping to solve many challenging problems in computer science. It is an advancing and emerging technology that will be used substantially in the future.
Here's an example of what Easy Email looks like integrated into the Microsoft Outlook setting. As you can see, it lives at the top in the notification bar with the Easy button. In order to get into the Easy sorting, which we will show on the next screen, you would access it by going to the filter, going to the sort by drop-down list, and then selecting Easy Sort. And what this application is going to do is it's going to go through the inbox and the clutter, and it's going to put everything in a different folder based off of importance, which we will see on the next screen. After clicking on the Easy Sort function, you can see that the inbox has now been completely sorted by importance, going from high to medium to low. What this is going to do is it's going to free up time, and it's going to allow the user to not have to sit through hours worth of email sorting, and they're going to know right exactly where their important stuff is. Here's another example of what Easy Email would look like integrated into the Gmail setting. As you can see, it's up right next to the Move button. One of the functionalities that Easy Email is going to allow for Google is it's going to sort by sender. As you can see, there are 3 highlighted conversations from different dates from the same person, and what Easy Email would do is it would put it all into a single thread based off of who the sender is. This is an example of an email that is going to be sent by a student in a class who is having trouble with homework. As you can see, there are a few grammatical errors, and the wording just doesn't sound very professional. One thing that Easy Email is going to be able to do is it will read through this email, see where the grammatical errors are, and it's going to improve the email with the press of a button, which we will see on the next screen. With the click of a button, Easy Email has gone through and added a more meaningful subject to the title of the email. It has gone through and added some formatting and included the proper punctuation marks where they were previously omitted. All of this was done with the click of a button, and the user did not have to put their fingers on the keyboard to type any of this text. This is all done through artificial intelligence. Next, we're going to show you how easy it is to utilize the scheduling functionality within Easy Email. When you go to your contact list, you would select the user that you would like to schedule a meeting with, and then you would click on their name and find the check availability button. And what the system is going to do is it's going to look at both of your schedules, and it's going to determine a good time that you both would be available to meet. The application will work for a few seconds, and it's going to go through both of the schedules, and it is determined that we would be able to meet with Professor Giordano on Wednesday, October 18th from 12 to 12:30 for 30 minutes. And then it's going to ask if we would like to schedule this meeting. And what it's going to do is it's going to send a meeting request to Professor Giordano, and we're not going to have to do anything as far as sending an email or setting up a time on our schedule. After clicking the schedule button, the user is going to be greeted with this alert that says a meeting request has been sent to Professor Giordano for Wednesday, October 18th from 12 to 12:30 p.m. in his office in Copeland. All that you would do is press OK, and that notification is going to get sent to Professor Giordano, and you will receive a notification whenever he opens it and accepts or declines the meeting invitation. Professor Giordano has accepted our meeting request, and we can see that that has happened by the Easy button changing colors and also giving an alert saying that he has accepted your meeting request. This is a completely hands-off scheduling system. All we had to do was check his availability and click a few buttons, and we have our appointment scheduled.
First, we will talk about the old way of doing email and why time, communication, organization problems will arise and increase. More emails that are not important will start filling up your inbox. Also, while you're trying to look up for an important email, time will play an effect trying to find a certain email. The old way of doing email leads to slow response lead times, cluttered, unorganized inboxes, and longer times attending to your email every day. According to a new report from McKinsey Global Institute, workers spend about 28% of their work weeks reading, writing, or responding to email, which leads to around 650 hours a year, which is about almost 2 hours every day. This graph shows by 2021, emails being sent and received are going to increase to about 320 billion. This will lead to more time spent looking at your email unless AI is going to be used to lower these inefficiencies. Implementing AI to everyday business email will fix the problems of everyday struggles of employees using the old method of email. Overall, it will fix the time efficiency by decreasing the time spent looking at emails, organization by eliminating clutter and non-important emails, and improve communication with lowered replying lead times.
Easy Email looks to improve all aspects of the IT triangle. The biggest improvement affects the people. With implementation of Easy Email, users will be able to spend the time they previously used on managing their email accounts in more productive ways, meaning that the process of the business will also be improved. By spending less time sorting through emails, employees can focus all their attention on completing assigned tasks more efficiently. By making our product compatible with major email services, Easy Email looks to optimize IT efficiency within any business segment.
For the ballpark cost savings, we found that 28% of the work week is spent reading and replying to emails, and Easy Email will be able to reduce that time by 30%. With a 40-hour work week, we see that we've got 2,080 hours per year, and when we multiply those out with the old and the new ways of Easy Email, we see that we're actually able to save right around 175 hours per year. Conservatively, with an opportunity cost of $20 per hour for any employee, we can see that each employee will be able to get $3,500 of savings per year. And when we multiply that out, let's say for Nationwide Insurance, who has 31,000 employees, let's say cost savings of right around $108 million. With another company, JP Morgan Chase, with right around 234,000 employees, we can see a savings of over $820 million.
Choose Easy Email and change the way you do business.